go over that hill. I think this will be good. All right. Ooh, I'm rolling down the hill. All right. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. What are we getting over here? What are we getting? What are we working on? What? Not those. We're gonna make a gate out of those. But what we are after, oh man, we are good. Man, I need to make a path. This isn't gonna work out very well. I need to make a path. The barbed wire's all right there. But those poles, that's what I'm after first. Jax, every freaking year, you do blackface. Trying to impress these girls. Every year you do that. Gosh. I've gotten kind of used to a smell, so I don't really smell them yet, but I get up here, yeah, I can start to smell him now. He's got a real musk. Look at it stick out his tongue. He's gonna talk to him. He's gonna talk to her. He's gonna talk to her. He's like, yeah. He's like, this rake looks good. Oh God, oh yeah, I can smell it. When he gets that close, it's almost unbearable. The smut. It's hard to describe if you've never smelt it. It's a real musky smell. It'll sting your nostrils. But that's what attracts them, I guess. Yeah, again, I'm not sure if that's piss or something else that he shoots out of his fucking dinky winky all over his fucking face. I haven't researched it, I haven't looked it up, which we'll do. So find out what it is. But every fucking year he does blackface because he always does the same side. He leans the same way into it and shoots himself in the face. And then he makes this retarded looks to the girls. He's like, you girls like it? You like it? It's ridiculous. Okay, we gotta get back to work, man. Shit, let's go. What the hell are we doing? All right. Oh, look at that. It's not strong. It's sorry. That was probably sounding chauvinistic or something. I don't know. Can't say anything nowadays. Just look at it like this. Just say what you're gonna say, because no matter what you say, somebody is gonna be offended, so fuck them. You know what I mean? All right, I think let's keep. I think we're good. All right, let's go get some water. All right. Little planes fly over. It's so funny. My brothers always like flip them off. They might be taking pictures like Google or something. So if you Google in, you'll see us flipping them off. There it is right there. So we'll flip it off. Nah, nah, nah. Nope, definitely gonna have to mix more concrete. It's a 3-foot deep hole, so not surprised. Wasn't sure how it would do, so that was basically one fucking hole. So, I'll just pour all that in there, fuck it. Alright, let's see. I don't think that's level at all. Nope. 走，走，这没事情。
Said seagulls gonna come, broke me in the coconut, and they did, got me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started.